I'm here with Miro. He is the test and development driver for Rimac, and I'm here today with the one and only Rimac Nevera, 1914 horsepower, 4 electric motors.
Yes.
How much torque?
Oh, a lot. 3,600 Newton meters.
Newton meters.
Yeah.
Top speed?
258 miles an hour.
258 miles an hour. So tell me a little bit about the car. It's completely carbon fiber?
Yes.
Carbon fiber monocoque?
Yeah. So this basically is the biggest single piece carbon fiber in the automotive industry. So the monocoque itself is the biggest piece.
Okay.
It's really, really stiff. So 70,000 Newton meters per degree. That's like 3 times the stiffness of LMP car,
Right.
which is quite stiff. Quite big battery, the biggest so far, so it's 120 kilowatt hours.
Okay.
And it's in the backbone of the car, underneath the feet of the driver and co-driver, and behind the seats.
Right.
So that gives us quite a lot of range, but also, you know, quite a lot of capacity also for this.
Oh man, it's moving 144 60-footer. This could be it if it keeps going through the traps.